everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with all of you my day skincare regime which I personally follow every day in the morning. For this I use the most amazing and the luxurious skincare brand which is available in the market by the name of Dot & Key. But before going ahead, I would like you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So after cleansing my face, the first product which I apply on my skin is this clay mask. This is called Pollution and Acne Defense Green Clay Mask. As you can see that this comes in this green color and it is very smooth in application. But before going ahead and before showing you how I apply this, I would like to talk about this particular mask. Now this particular mask is a brilliant green clay mask which is formulated with active botanicals to clear toxins and fight acne. It is made with antioxidants, rich matcha tea, tamanu oil and neem oil in order to neutralize the damaging effect of pollution which happens on our skin. It also eliminates acne from reoccurring. It results in clear and pure skin and it is 100% safe and dermatologically tested. So let's now see how to apply this. So this is how it looks from inside. It comes with an applicator. So as you can see, I have already applied it all over my face. Now when you apply this, you sometimes feel like it's very thick in texture. So you probably have to add 1 or 2 drops of water while applying it. Second thing which you'll notice after having this on your face is that you'll feel that it is giving you a very cool effect. So people usually say that we should only mask once in a week, but I highly recommend to use this mask every day on your skin because I have seen visible results on my skin and I really like this product, and this is a product which you can apply every day. Trust me guys. So now as you can see that this mask is dry, so I'm gonna go and wash it and then I'm gonna continue with the second product. After I wash my face, I use the second product by Dot & Key itself. Now this is the Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. This is Water Drench Hydrating Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. Now this comes in this beautiful packaging as you all can see. This is full of antioxidants and vitamin C which is perfect and which is what your skin required. Now this is perfect for dull and dehydrated skin. It fights free radicals, damage and infuses the skin with moisture, restoring dewy youthful radiance. This is again 100% safe and dermatologically tested. So it has vitamin C and hyaluronic serum concentrate, and its texture is very good. It's very liquidy. So what you have to just do is you just have to pump few drops of the same on your skin, just like as I'm doing right now in front of you, and you just have to apply it thoroughly. So one thing which all of you must always remember while applying serum is that you never have to rub the serum. You always have to dab it. So once the serum got absorbed by the skin, I apply this beautiful 72-hour hydrating gel which has probiotics in it. Now this is formulated with pre and probiotic. This daily moisturizer leaves the skin plump, dewy and hydrated for almost 72 hours while promoting a healthier, vibrant complexion. Again, this is 100% safe and dermatologically tested. Now this is of this light blue color and it smells awesome. Now this comes in this gel form as you all can see. Now as I said, when your serum got absorbed by your skin, you have to just apply few drops of this gel just like this as I am doing right now on all over your skin, and then you have to massage just like this. So as I said, serum को आपको हमेशा rub नहीं करना है, serum को हमेशा dab करना है, and you have to rub the moisturizer and give your skin a good massage, a good soft and gentle massage, right? So this is a gel based moisturizer which goes with every type of whether it's normal skin, it's combination skin, it's oily skin or acne prone skin. It goes with all, but it is best for oily and combination skin. So once you apply this gel, you are ready. You can go out freely, and once you start doing this skincare regime in the morning, your skin will start feeling shiny, dewy, plumby, and at the same time hydrated. So you won't require any other skincare product if you go and use this beautiful Dot & Key products in the morning. So this was about my day skincare regime. I hope you like it, and if you also want to try this, then you must go and check out their website, or you can order all these products from Amazon or from Flipkart or from Nykaa, Purpell, or from any other e-commerce website. All these products are available at various e-commerce platforms. As I said, this is a luxurious brand and the prices are also very competitive. So guys, go give these 3 products a try for your skin, because a beautiful skin is what we all require.